We extensively searched the internet to curate this ultimate compilation. Here's a selection of incredibly impressive gadgets that will revolutionize your life, or at the very least, add more fun and comfort to it. So sit back, relax, and enjoy as we guide you through a virtual tour of some of the finest products available online. Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. Bellroy key case and key cover. Key rings seem to grow larger by the day, making them cumbersome to carry and use. It's time to put an end to that inconvenience. Enter an elegant key organizer designed to keep things slim and easily accessible in your pocket. It can hold up to 5 keys and effortlessly dispenses them with a single twist. The organizer exudes style, combining eco-tanned leather with a durable locking mechanism. Alternatively, there's a slightly simpler option that can accommodate up to 8 keys, giving you the freedom to choose. Beats Gear X. Introducing the Beats Gear X, an innovative haptic cushion that takes your audio experience to new heights. Whether you're an audio enthusiast or simply looking for a new hobby, Beats Gear X allows you to feel sound throughout your body, immersing you in the groove. Connect it to your music, games, or movies, and get ready for a vibrating sensation that can be customized to match your mood or content. Delicate like a flower or ready to party? The choice is yours. Compatible with Android and Windows devices, Beats Gear X offers a revolutionary way to enjoy sound while leaving Apple users to rely on their old-fashioned ears, like primitive cavemen. Warhawk EDC Flashlight. Next up is a flashlight that pays tribute to the fallen soldiers of World War II. Inspired by the iconic fighter jet Curtiss P-40 Warhawk, this compact yet robust flashlight emits a powerful 50 lumens of light within a 16-foot range. It illuminates in 3 different colors and can operate for approximately 4 hours with just one cell battery. Its diminutive size allows for easy attachment to your keychain. Boxing Buddy. Now imagine boxing with an added challenge. Enter Boxing Buddy, a robotic training companion that transforms your punching bag sessions. Instead of hitting a lifeless bag, Boxing Buddy fights back. It adapts to your skill level, desired intensity, and even your mood, whether angry or just experiencing some pain in your hand. It tracks your progress and provides feedback on your performance. Compatible with bags of any size and shape, even those shaped like your boss, Boxing Buddy ensures a challenging workout and motivates you to level up. CRKT Folding Pocket Knife. While there are countless pocket knives available, finding a worthy one can be a challenge. This particular knife boasts not only an elegant appearance, but also an impressive locking mechanism. With a simple push of your thumb, the blade swiftly deploys, placing a razor-sharp claw in your hand, making it both cool and practical in emergencies. Additionally, it features a glass beaker for added functionality. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, and when folded, it securely fits in your pocket with the aid of a clip. Orbit. If you're seeking captivating aerial footage, look no further than Orbit. This pocket-sized powerhouse may resemble an ordinary drone, but it surpasses expectations. The Orbit is designed to follow you wherever you go, capturing every remarkable moment of your life. With GPS and obstacle avoidance technology, controlling the drone is effortless using simple gestures or voice commands like "Orbit, follow me," or "Orbit, take a selfie." It conveniently fits in your pocket, making it the ideal companion for capturing stunning Instagram-worthy shots at social media conferences. With modes like Orbit, Top Down, Selfie, and Follow Me, the Orbit drone's compact design, user-friendly controls, and extensive features will undoubtedly become your favorite gadget. M1911H Reloading Card Holder. Let's proceed with an item that may deceive you at first glance. Resembling an M1911 magazine, this card holder is a clever alternative. Instead of ammunition, it can accommodate up to 6 cards, 20 business cards, or roughly 6 cigarettes. Crafted from the same materials as the original pistol, it maintains a premium appearance over time with its double diamond pattern. When you need a card, simply press the release button, and the inner magazine will slide into your hand. Retrieve the desired card with ease using your finger. What's more, slide the inner magazine back in, and you'll be rewarded with the unmistakable reload click, a unique feature paying homage to the original firearm. Strike Light 2. Introducing the Strike Light 2, a flashlight stun gun combination that will empower you even on the darkest and most dangerous nights. Imagine walking down a shady alley during a stormy evening, but fear not, as the Strike Light 2 is by your side. This powerful device features a blinding light to disorient your potential attacker, giving you the upper hand. And if the situation calls for it, the stun gun will swiftly adjust their attitude with a close contact zap. With its long-lasting battery life, the Strike Light 2 ensures you'll be prepared to defend yourself against even the most resistant criminals. But that's not all. The Strike Light 2 has a hidden feature: its crenulated bezel. This uniquely designed jagged edge serves as a potential striking tool, providing an additional means of self-defense. With the Strike Light 2, you're not just an ordinary pedestrian, you become a beacon of safety, ready to face any challenge that comes your way. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.